OpenClaw is a really powerful agentic system, but to set it up, it requires server, configuration, and multiple setup. To simplify this process, we have managed version of OpenClaw, that is KiloClaw, hosted by Kilo. With just few simple steps, you are able to configure this OpenClaw and you can access it right from your Telegram. Here is my OpenClaw running, and it took only around 60 seconds to get it all ready. And I'm going to take you through step by step how you can set it up and review in regarding this tool. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. OpenClaw is the fastest growing open source AI agent in history. Self-hosting OpenClaw will take a long time, it could crash anytime, and it requires manual update. But with KiloClaw, it's one-click deploy, multiple chat platforms, 500 plus models, scheduled tasks and cron. I'll provide the link in the description for you to sign up. Thanks to KiloCode for sponsoring this video. So once after you click the link, just click try KiloClaw. You have various options to sign in. You got the front here, balance and free. So you can try it for free. So clicking on free and clicking get started. But before that, I want to integrate Telegram. So click on Telegram. Now you need to enter the bot token. To generate bot token, you can see you need to open Telegram and open BotFather within Telegram. And here's my Telegram. So going to open Telegram. So in the chat window, just type /new bot and then click enter. Then you enter your new bot name. The name should end with bot. After that, it automatically provides you the token is here. So I'm just going to copy this. Then you add your bot token here, what you generated, and click get started. And here it is, setting up your KiloClaw instance. Now your instance is ready. So I'm going to open KiloClaw, and this automatically logs in to your KiloClaw account. To test it, you can just click on any of the message and you can see a response here, which means it's working fine. Now you got other options such as overview, channels, instances, sessions, usage, cron jobs, and much more. You can configure based on your requirement. You also have agents. You can create more agents and customize it based on your requirement. You can also choose your own model, bring your own model. You can add skills to those agents, and we'll be seeing how you can configure internet search within your OpenClaw account. That is using Brave Search API. So go to Brave Search and then you can sign up. Now I can generate the API key from Brave Search dashboard. Once after you generate your API key, come back to your OpenClaw dashboard. There you got the environments variable. So clicking on environments, I'm going to click add entry for the environment variable overrides. So I'm going to enter Brave API key and enter my API key here and then click save. So once after you do that, you got your search enabled for your AI agent. Now to integrate into Telegram, inside Telegram, go to the bot which you have just created, click on it. And first time when you say hi, it's going to respond with the pairing code. So your goal is to copy this line of code, copy the selected text, go to your OpenClaw control panel. There I'm going to ask run this pairing code, and OpenClaw will automatically run this in its own terminal. As you can see here, it's running that here, and I need to approve that request. So it's asking me to approve, so I just need to copy this and type it like this and then click enter. That will automatically approve the pairing request. So once that is done, go back to your Telegram. There if I say hi, how are you, and it's going to respond to me back. As simple as that. Next important feature I want to show you, its ability to schedule task. So I'm going to say in OpenClaw dashboard, remind me every day morning at 8 a.m. about the latest AI news, and clicking enter. Now this will automatically setting up a reminder daily AI news briefing, and is adding to the cron job, that is the scheduler, and it's done now every morning at 8 a.m. Now to confirm this, I can go on the left hand side. You got the cron jobs here, and here I can see the most recent cron job, daily AI news briefing, and it got added. If I want to test, I can even run it and test it now. So I'm going to click run. So this is the key feature which differentiates this AI agent, that is OpenClaw, from other AI agentic framework, and also the channels integration. That means you're able to chat through Telegram. In my Telegram, I just send me OpenClaw AI news at 7 a.m. daily, And you can see it's asking me what time zone are you in. So I'm going to say GMT. So Mervyn Preston is my bot and it's automatically scheduling. Now the bot is typing, that is OpenClaw, and now execution approval required. To approve that, I need to go to the web UI. So here you can see it's asking for approval. I'm going to say always allow. Clicking on that and allowing to add this cron. So clicking on always allow. That will automatically add the OpenClaw AI news to the cron job, which means you will get a message in your Telegram account every day at 7 a.m. That is really nice. So that's a quick setup guide. So here is the key difference. If you already have Kilo code, this is an easy integration with unified billing, auto restart on crash, 500 plus AI models available, and regular updates. Setting it up in under 60 seconds. With self-hosted, it's going to be more than 30 minutes. Do try and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Considering you already like OpenClaw, I also created another video about OpenClaw if you want to set it up from scratch. And you will know how complicated is that. I'll put the link in here and I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.